Gracenote, Transparent. This is their second album released in year 2016. Well, let's start. The front cover. Ayan. Ang ganda ng pagkadong. Oh, hey there, kitty kitty. Yup. Wala siyang catalog number. Card record label, wala rin. Yup. The inlay part. Ayan. Superstar Music Incorporated. Yan. 2016 Philippine copyright. Yes. At yung tracklist niya ay ganito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan. Ganyan ang arrangement niya. Yup. Alright. Let's check what's inside. Ayan. Oh. Okay. There we go. Acknowledgement. Special thanks and credits. Sandali. Wait. Ay. Wait a second. Ayan. Para malinaw. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Ayos. Yan. Ganyan. Yan. That's good. Okay. Check natin yung CD. Okay. Oh. There you go. Factory press CD. Yes. Ganda, no? Yan. Sisa. Ayan. Ayan. Pamaitan nyo. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Put it back. Ayan. Okay. The booklet. Oops. Right. Oh yes. Nice. Ang ganda ng booklet. Ayan. Oops. Nakikita nyo pa? Sandali. Okay. Para ano. Ayan. Okay. Okay, sa likod naman. Yup, artwork. Yeah. Ay. Wait. Yan. Okay, yan na siya. Alright, let's check their social media. So, follow them on Facebook. Yep. Click like and follow. Follow them on Spotify. Follow them on Twitter. And subscribe to their YouTube channel. Okay, that's it for today. Support the band by buying their merchandise and going to their gigs. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you at the next video. Goodbye and happy hunting. And as always, stay safe, everyone.